Hello and welcome everyone to another video from Collective Finance. In this video, we will be discussing the mint and redeem feature in detail. But first, let's talk about what's Collective Finance in a few seconds. Collective Finance gives 24/7 access to fully backed tokenized commodities on the blockchain. Enjoy the safety of over-collateralized assets with best yield farming opportunities to put your digital commodities to work. The C tokens in Collective Finance represent the real world assets such as gold, silver, diamonds, etc. Gain access to our ecosystem either through purchasing the C tokens or purchasing exclusive Collective Finance NFTs. That was a short intro of Collective Finance. Let's now move on to the mint and redeem feature. Now, what exactly is this mint and redeem feature? Mint and redeem feature is where you will be able to mint C gold tokens through USDT, USDC, PAXG, etc. Minting adds new C gold tokens into the circulation. On the contrary, redeem is where you will be able to deposit C gold tokens and get USDT, USDC, PAXG, etc. in exchange. Redeem burns C gold tokens and removes them from the circulation permanently. This feature allows users to enter our ecosystem with essentially zero price impact on the LP, making it more palatable to enter LPs after minting C gold and pairing it with a stablecoin to farm. A 2% fee will be applied while performing both minting and redeeming. This 2% fee will be used in the following way. 23% of this 2% goes to the floating pool, 2% goes to the fee collector, and 75% of this 2% goes to the Arbitrum vault. Don't worry, this fee will be adjusted down as the adoption rate of the C gold grows. Do you want to save on these fees? Well, you can buy one of the Angel NFTs that will receive a 50% fee reduction, making the fee 1% for both minting and redeeming. If you would like to know more about the Angel NFTs, get in touch with us through our Discord. This method allows a player to acquire large amounts of C gold tokens without having to face the price impact of the regular LP pool. Keep in mind that there will be a certain amount of C gold tokens you will be able to redeem. Anything above this redeem number will show an error message on the UI. The UI will display the redeemable amount at any given moment. If you would like to perform a large redeem amount, then you can reach out directly to the team for an OTC deal which will involve a 2% fee. Now, I will tell you how this would generate arbitrage opportunities. As you all know, the C gold token is a loosely pegged token that is pegged to the price of gold. The team tries their best to keep the price of C gold token equivalent to the price of gold. However, buys and sells can sometimes push the price of C gold either slightly above or below peg. During these scenarios, one can take advantage of the situation by using the mint and redeem feature to perform arbitrages. When the price of C gold goes below the peg, the investor can buy from the LP and then redeem the C gold for USDT, USDC or PAXG. Similarly, when the price of C gold goes above the peg, the investor can mint C gold and sell it into the LP pools. The mint and redeem feature works in a way where you always get C gold tokens equivalent to the price of gold. This way, the users can take advantage of the arbitrage opportunities. That was all for this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us through our Discord or use the comments section. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to Collective Finance and throwing a like. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.